goopy stuff, goopy stuff. The black specs because I added a little bit of black pepper and just 4 blobs of stem ginger and syrup to that topping. I have not added any of this. This is plain, smooth, evenly coloured all over, apart from that little orange streak just there and that faint sort of discoloration there. Fairly well blended. The cake bases are over here in the dark where you can't see them. You can see they have gone baked bun coloured on top. I don't know how long that took. At this point you want to turn the oven down from, finger somewhere, 180 down to 120 because the topping doesn't have to be cooked as hot as the base is. This way the oven is open and blowing hot air at me, which is unpleasant in this weather. Right, at this point you're going to get your peaches or mango or strawberry or whatever you've used for the middle and spread that evenly over those cakes. Then spread the topping evenly over the top of that. This is a good reason why you don't want this stuff to be too runny. If this is too runny, that sinks right through it. You want that to be stuck in the middle and this to sit on top of it. And you want to open a window to get some fresh air through the kitchen. It is hot next to this oven right now.